Hello, what is your name?
My name is sedorji sherpa.
Sedorji?
Yes.
How old are you?
I'm 28 years old.
Married?
Yes.
How many children do you have?
One children.
Have you been into any other countries before?
2 years Malaysia, 1 year Dubai.
Okay, in Malaysia, what work?
Carton factories.
Okay, and in Dubai?
Dubai waiter hotel.
Now, what do you do in Nepal?
Nepal, I'm now driver working.
Driver? What kind of vehicles do you run?
Driver.
Yeah, what kind of
Driver,
work?
small, big, all.
So you know how to drive bus and tippers,
Yes, all.
heavy also. Do you have the license
I have license. Small.
for light vehicles?
Yeah, because it's,
Okay. You said you will have a license after 6 months for heavy driving also?
yeah, 6 months, 7 months waiting after.
Okay. What is your education level?
My education.
Mm-hmm.
8.
Class 8 pass?
Yes.
Okay. So do you drink alcohol?
No.
Smoking?
No.
Not even sometimes?
No.
Okay. So if you go to Romania, how many years would you like to stay?
5 years.
5 years. There you might have to work 10 to 12 hours per day. Is it okay with you?
Okay.
Any health problem?
No.
Okay. Thank you very much.
No.